Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2012 Honda Civic EX. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a calm, cool, and collected gray color. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Included in your EX package is your Bluetooth connectivity with your stylish dual-screen info system, plus you have your power moonroof for the ultimate convenience.
Helping you into your Civic is your handy remote starter and your key fob. That remote start will definitely come in handy during those cold winter months. On your key fob here, I have the lock, the unlock, your trunk release, and panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, once you open it up here, you have that cool two-tone interior. You also do have your power windows and power locks, plus power adjustable side mirrors. Over on this side, you have your Econ drive mode, plus your traction control. You also do have your floor mats. And check out these soft fabric seats all throughout that add just that extra touch of comfort to all of your passengers. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open during those long summer drives. Why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Civic, simply put your foot on the brake, key in the ignition there. Dashboard's gonna light up. You also do have your multi-information display on the top with a cool curvature that you definitely have to come on in and see for yourself. It adds a different element to your driving experience. Now, taking a look at your kilometers, you have 114,538. You can control that multi-information display from your steering wheel mounted controls here. You also do have your odometer and you have your gauge. Below, you can also find your cruise control mounted on this side here, and you have your media and your volume control, hands-free calling below. Taking a look at your audio system, you have your AM/FM radio, a CD player, plus your auxiliary input so you can bring your music wherever you go. You have your hands-free calling, you can set that up. Below, you have your climate control, nice and simple, with your air conditioning, which will definitely come in handy during those hot summer months. Below here, you have your 12-volt DC charger, plus your auxiliary input, and you have your media storage. Check out the styling on your shift knob there. You have your cup holders, and inside your center console here, you have that removable piece for easy cleaning, plus your USB charger. Inside of your glove box, all the manuals you need to know, everything there is to know about your Honda. Just simple functionality and style. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Activating that trunk, simply hold that button on your fob there and it will release it. Opening it up now to take a look. Got plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have your quick release for your 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. Underneath your cover here, you'll find your tools, your jack, and your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You also do have your cargo lamp for visibility. Closing it up now, you have a nice clean bumper as we take one more look at the back of your Civic.
Taking one final look at your 2012 Honda Civic EX. As a cool balance of style and function, you definitely have an exciting adventure ahead. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.